Hi there, Mark Sabatella from Mastering MuseScore here. I want to show you how to change the default file association for MuseScore files. After installing MuseScore 4, this is now going to be the default when you click or double-click a file in Explorer on Windows. It's going to open in MuseScore 4 by default, and that might not be what you want. If you're used to using MuseScore 3 and you have a lot of MuseScore 3 files, you probably want your MuseScore files to open in MuseScore 3. Very simple to do. Let me show you how. All you're going to do is right-click any MuseScore file, and then a pop-up dialog appears, and now you're going to say Open With, and you're going to see that both MuseScore 3 and MuseScore 4 are listed as options. What we're going to do is pick Choose Another App. Now I can pick MuseScore 3 and check the box that says Always Use this app. And there you go. Now MuseScore 3 is going to be used to open your scores, and that only took a few seconds. You only have to do it once.